Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Lebanese cuisine and uncovering some unknown facts about a dish that has captured the hearts and palates of people around the world, Dawood Basha. So, if you're ready to tantalize your taste buds and explore the history and secrets of this delectable dish. Dawood Basha, the quintessential Lebanese comfort food, is a dish that many people adore. But do you know the incredible history and some intriguing trivia behind it? Let's jump right in. Dawood Basha's origins. The origins of Dawood Basha. Many assume that Dawood Basha was named after a famous chef or a historic figure, but the truth is much simpler. The name, Dawood Basha, is derived from a colloquial term in Lebanon that means meatballs in tomato sauce. It's a dish that has been enjoyed by Lebanese families for generations. The perfect blend of ingredients. Dawood Basha is all about the harmonious blend of ingredients. The meatballs, typically made with a mix of ground beef and lamb, are seasoned with spices like allspice, cinnamon, and garlic, giving them a unique and aromatic flavor. The star ingredient. One key ingredient that sets Dawood Basha apart is the use of ripe and juicy tomatoes for the sauce. Lebanese cooks believe that the quality of the tomatoes directly influences the dish's taste, so they often use fresh, locally sourced tomatoes for the sauce. Dawood Basha around the world. Dawood Basha around the world. This beloved dish has transcended its Lebanese origins and gained international popularity. In countries like Turkey, it's known as Islam Kebabi, and in Greece, it's called Sautsuk Lukum. These variations each have their unique spin on the classic. A hearty dish with a rich history. Dawood Basha is not just about delicious flavors, it's also a part of Lebanon's culinary history. This dish dates back centuries and has evolved over time, reflecting the diverse cultural influences that have shaped Lebanese cuisine. Served with love. In Lebanon, Dawood Basha is often associated with home-cooked, family meals. It's a dish that brings people together and is often served on special occasions and celebrations. It symbolizes love, togetherness, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. Variations of Dawood Basha. While the classic version of Dawood Basha features meatballs in a tomato sauce, there are regional and personal variations. In some recipes, you might find ingredients like pine nuts or bell peppers, adding a unique twist to the dish. Versatility of Dawood Basha. Dawood Basha isn't just a standalone dish. It's often served with traditional sides like rice, bulgur, or pita bread. The combination of flavors and textures in a single meal is a testament to Lebanese cuisine's diversity. Health benefits. Lebanese cuisine, in general, is known for its health benefits. Dawood Basha is no exception. The lean meat and tomato-based sauce provide essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious and wholesome choice. Dawood Basha's cultural significance. This dish holds a special place in Lebanese culture. It's often associated with hospitality, and offering Dawood Basha to guests is a sign of warm welcome and respect. Dawood Basha in Lebanese festivals. In Lebanon, you'll find Dawood Basha featured in many of their festivals and food events. It's a dish that unites people and showcases the rich culinary heritage of the region. The perfect balance. Dawood Basha's balance of flavors is truly exquisite. The sweetness of the tomato sauce, the savory meatballs, and the hint of spices create a delightful combination that's both comforting and exciting for the taste buds. A worldwide favorite. As Lebanese cuisine gains popularity globally, Dawood Basha has found its way onto the menus of international restaurants. People from various backgrounds are discovering and falling in love with this Lebanese classic. So, there you have it, some unknown facts about Lebanese Dawood Basha that make it even more special and delicious. Whether you've tried it before or not, I hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for this classic Lebanese dish. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other Lebanese dishes you'd like me to explore. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, Happy cooking and happy eating!